There's only one thing that you need to do in order to become a millionaire. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about that one thing that I did that helped me to become a millionaire. So listen up. The number one thing that I did that helped me to become a millionaire is to write down all the reasons why I wanted to become a millionaire in the first place. You see, a lot of times people really think that they want to be a millionaire for themselves. Now, if you think that your purpose is to become a millionaire for yourself, then most likely you're not going to become a millionaire. Because most people who become a millionaire for themselves are only doing it for selfish reasons. They want to do it for self-indulgence. They want to do it to take care of themselves and have as much fun as possible. But if you have the wrong intentions, you will go into the wrong directions. If you don't have strong enough reasons, then you will never get it done. My friends, if you really want to become wealthy, I have a challenge for you. I want you to write down 100 reasons why you want to become rich. If you understand exactly why you want to do something, then how to do it will always become easier. Now, naturally, if you're watching this video, you can automatically think of 5 or 10 reasons why you would want to be rich. But did you ever sit down with a piece of paper and write down all those reasons? My friends, if you know why you want something, then you will absolutely get closer to it. Because if you want something, you need to give yourself some reasons in order to obtain it. You need to give yourself a reason to get closer to that goal. Because what you want will also want you. But you have to want it strongly enough. And most people don't become wealthy because they don't want it strongly enough. They decide for themselves that they'd rather play it safe, that they'd rather keep their money in the bank, that they'd rather hold on to that job just so that they can pay the bills. But you guys know, and I always tell you, that if all you want to do is pay the bills, that's all you'll end up doing. If all you ever want is an emergency fund for the next 6 to 12 months, that's all you'll end up having. If all you expect are rainy days to come, then you'll never be able to expect the sunny days to come. You see, there's so many days of opportunities. There's so many days of advancement. There's so many days of development that you have to go through in order to become a millionaire. Another reason why most people never become a millionaire is because they don't want to go through the process. When most people want to become a millionaire, they just want to spend $1 million. They don't necessarily want to earn $1 million. They don't want to do the work. They don't want to set the goals. They don't want to deal with the consequences and the responsibilities that a millionaire would face throughout the years before they obtain their first $1 million. But my friends, I want to tell you something. It is the process that will get you to the profits. And if you understand exactly what I'm saying, then make sure to type yes in the section below, because I know I'm speaking to somebody right now. Now let me make one thing clear. If you have the right reasons, then you will proceed into the right seasons. You'll understand exactly what you need to do and exactly who you need to be in order to reach your discovery. Now conversely, there's so many people that have selfish ambitions. Maybe they just want $1 million to prove other people wrong. Maybe they just want $1 million to buy all the designer bags and get a boob job. Maybe they just want $1 million so they can splurge and gamble all their money away. Some people have the wrong intentions, and that's why they head into the wrong directions. But remember, if you make the right decisions, then you'll always head into the right positions. So my question for you is, what do you actually want to do with the money? If you had $1 million right now, how would you disperse the funds? Most people would say, well, I just want to buy my mom a house. I just want to pay off all my debts. I just want to splurge my money away and take a quick vacation. What if I told you that if you turn that $1 million into $10 million, that would be a better decision in the end? You see, most people couldn't even fathom doing that. They might think they can do it, but they don't know how to actually go about doing it. So what I'm saying is that you need to figure out how you would actually spend your money. Repurpose your understanding of what you would do if the money were to come to you today. Now, I guarantee you that if you decide to sit down with a pen and pad and write down your 100 reasons that you're not going to be able to come up with all of them all at once. In fact, when I did it, I wasn't able to as well. Now, I will also guarantee you that if I give you more time, let's say a week or even a month, to write down all the reasons, that you will go out there and take inventory to understand exactly where you need to improve and what you need to do to become more of who you are, then you, my friends, will easily come up with over 100 reasons to actually become a millionaire. And once you understand exactly what you need to do, you're gonna position yourself to receiving that money much sooner. You're gonna understand exactly what kind of person you need to become, because you're gonna be able to question yourself. You're gonna become more intentional and directional about where you're looking and where you're putting your energy towards. Remember, you become what you study. And if you study things that won't get you there, then you're never gonna get it. If you study miscellaneous things, then you get miscellaneous results, right? Now imagine if you study what you need to do to become a millionaire, and you come up with those 100 reasons, and you internalize them every single day, and you put away the distractions every single day, and you become intentional every single day, then you, my friend, will become more prepared to receive the money. The universe will look for someone that actually wants it. The universe will detect you if you know exactly what you want. It goes with anything in life. If you know you want to lose weight and you have enough reasons to do so, then your reasons will beat out your excuses. If you know that you want to get married and you have enough reasons to do so, then your reasons for getting married will kill and annihilate the excuses for not getting married. If you know in your heart that you want to accomplish anything, no matter what it is, and you have more reasons than you have excuses, then you will get it done. You'll know exactly where to go. You'll know exactly who to talk to. You'll know exactly how you need to start thinking in order to get your mind working in that direction. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you the number one thing that I did that helped me to become a millionaire. If you like this video, make sure to type rich in the comment section below, and make sure to create that list of 100 reasons why you want to become wealthy. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with someone else that you know absolutely needs it. If you want more insight on this topic, make sure to get my 3 books, The Abundance Mentality, The Winner's Lifestyle, and You Are the Boss. These 3 books have changed the lives of so many people all across the world. The link is always in the description below. Make sure to get them right now. So there you go, my friends. This is Daniel Aldie. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have so much more I want to share with you. Guys, prepare your mind, prepare your heart, and prepare your soul if you want to reach your $1 million goal. Guys, it's been a great pleasure sharing this video with you today. I look forward to your journey to wealth and helping you become the person you know you were meant to be. See you guys on the next video. Take care.